Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm Acia here from 9A grade. I want to explain my seventh Flutter SKL, which is prayer menu screen. So here I made new four screen. I made it as file. First is detail doa screen, doa list screen, and doa screen. So let's we start from doa screen first. So here widget will context, return scaffold, a bar, and set the background color, color constant, color primary, and we put text string doa, and we style it, change the color being white, and font family is Poppins Media. So if I launch the emulator, it will show like this. Wait for a while. So here is for the up bar title, up bar and up above your screen. Yes, and there I put the string and also style it. After that, we're leading the icon button on press navigator pop context. So we put there. So use icon arrow back. Yes, icons arrow back and change the color being white is for the navigation button like that. So the will pop like this. Now this the up bar that I explained before, and this the navigator button. So they will pop. It means they will go back to the previous screen like that. After that, we put body column and put the image asset. This big asset. Fitting each insert all eight, and we put a grid view. What is grid view? Grid view is like a box that we can set the cross-axis count, main axis, and cross-axis spacing. If cross-axis count, they will count how many boxes that we have in one row, like this. Because in here I want to make 3, so I put cross-axis count 3, so they will count 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 grid. And main axis spacing is the space between the first row and second row. This and cross-axis spacing is a space between every element. I mean every card per year here. And on tap navigator push, so it will go to the next screen. If pop, they will go to the previous. If push, they will go to the next screen. So it's like a stack. Okay. Natural page road. So what is their destination of the action as a function? They will go to the builder context, the early screen category, pagi and malam. So they will go to pagi and malam category screen. To that close tag, here we made all the card doa. Of course, put the images and then give a title. On tab is for the function, so we can click it and go to the category etika bike screen like that. Do it the same for 6 times, and don't forget to change here. By the way, this is a string. This string, I make it same like data doa here. So if on your data doa the case is bagian malam, in bagian malam icon we should to type the same like that, because if different they will not detect it and it will show null. Yes. The next screen is doa list screen. Doa list screen. Which one? This one. So class doa list screen extends set list widget, final string category. Then we make a list map string and string. So we must put the string here, get the alias from the category, and then we return the scaffold up bar set. Yeah, set for the up bar like before, like the DOA screen is same. We'll make it this, and don't forget to make a navigator pop context. It's for the navigation button. Then body list field. So list field, they'll automatically make an a list. Then item count, the list length. After that, item builder, context, and index. After that, we return the padding, each inset symmetric, horizontal 16 and vertical 12. So if horizontal, they will give a 16 space, vertical 12 space. Here you can see. And then we put a child, container decoration, box decoration, color concept white, border radius circular 8, and we give a box shadow so you can see the effects. Here using gray colors, blue radius 3.0 and split radius 1.0 to that closing text. So the white box is already done. After that, we put the list tile is for the fill of our list view. List view is for making a list, but if list style is for the asset inside the list. I mean for like the image or maybe the text inside the box list view. Leading image asset, those index image. So it automatically put the image and we put the title. So they will automatically put the title because here when I made a string that can detect indoor data. So so we put the data in here and we give a string only so they automatically will appear the icon also the text of the door. Font family is Poppins medium on tap if it gets clicks. So navigator push it will go to the next page. For the page route, the destination builder context detail the screen. Title the Alice index title, Arabic the Alice index Arabic text transition, the index transition reference, the Alice index reference. So when we're ready, okay. So on tab, they haven't go to the next screen. But if you already put navigator push code here, they will go to the next screen like that. Navigator push is something like for the animation. If I click here, so they will pop like that. To that, this you can see here. Okay, so the code is done. In Cardoa, I already made a class for Cardoa, like final string image, string title, function. Yes, on top is a function. To that const Cardoa key record this image and title and on top. So it will active. As we move to the next is the last detail the screen. So here I made the class again for detail the screen. We have for string title Arabic text transition reference. Yes, as you can see here in the alias screen dart, we made a material page row with builder context detail the screen and also this the alias index and also here. We made the string using final, then we can use building here. We made in here, then we can put in here. To that, we create this title. So after we made the variable, we must record it so it will active. Which one is data arbitrary text and institution reference? We got it from the data. Then we put being a variable, we enable it, and this one. So do you guys want to make it one by one in every screen? Of course not. So because of that, we made a data. Then we put it by a variable. So the title is this one. Arabic text, of course, the Arabic one. Transition is the translation, of course, and the reference is the hadith riwayat, like that. So they will automatically put the title name and the doa name, like that. So example, uh, prayer before sleep. Yeah, they will show the prayer before sleep, and if prayer after sleep, they will show the prayer after sleep. It will automatically, because here are they make a final string, like that. Okay, the last screen I will explain. This the up bar and navigation button. Don't forget, of course. After that, closing tag, body container, media query. What is media query? Um, Media query is establish a software in which media queries are solved to given data. Yes, size up. So media query is for set the padding margin or the size of our widget or element in our application or maybe website. So that will fit the screen. Example for phone, the size of context dot age. They will set their size the same as our device. Yes, so it will fit. It will not fix. It's hard to explain. So if you use desktop, the size it will as big as the desktop screen. But if we use device, the size it will as big as the device screen, like that. Simple. Decoration comes box decoration, image, asset image. We put this image, this you can see the background, the yellow one. And box fit dot cover, so it will fit the screen, of course. Child single child scroll view, so it can be scroll. Heading comes insert all 24 container box decoration colors white, so this the box. Don't forget to put border radius circular 16 colors grays, radius also blue radius 2.3, and padding here is insert also it's a 4. Cross axis alignment is stretched, so in every widget that will have a space automatically. But if you want to give in a more space, can using a size box, like that. Title, text align center, font size, principal, color concept, color text. This for the title, this one. So we're using a bold Poppins family, font family. Give a gap, size box, text Arabic text. This for set the Arabic text. Using Poppins regular, and for set this transition here, using Poppins regular and font size is 16. Also the last is using 12 for the font size and Poppins regular also and cousin pack. So maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if there's a lot of mistakes and I hope you guys can understand. Keep up the spirit every day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.